Yo, if I land this ball on this little thing right here, you gotta like the video. It's all. Or 10 years of bad luck. Hey, like the video. I got something in my fucking eye. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on back to the Jerzy YouTube NFT channel. Me, the guy that talks about monkeys and random images on the internet. And today we have a couple of upcoming Solana NFT projects that are launching sometime very, very soon. One of these being tomorrow, and a couple of these being very early. We've got two anime-styled PFPs going head-to-head. Pop them up. Let me know right now in the comment section, left or right, which one's got your vote purely based on the artwork. Without further ado, this is not financial advice, so please do not take it as any. Do your own research, and you'll be safe. And let's just go ahead and hop on into today's video. Click the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and comment down below for a whitelist spot. So as I mentioned, we do have two anime-styled PFP projects going head-to-head in today's video. The first one I do want to talk about is going to be called Shisōka the Outcast. This is going to be a project minting tomorrow on July 5th on the Bitfrost launchpad built by Blocksmith Labs. You know, the all-in-one launchpad that allows you to easily manage your whitelist spots, no token distributions, and just ease of access? Yeah, they're going through that. When I compared the artwork in the beginning of the video to Zenin, I know they have two completely different styled PFPs. They're both giving off that anime styled, of course. One's left facing and one is kind of like head on centered. I think both look very good, but let's dive into both of these projects for themselves. So Shisōka is bringing up a bunch of utility for their holders, their community, and all of their investors alike. They're claiming not to be the usual branding project that we're seeing to be a huge meta in the Web3 space, but besides that, they're looking to build a home for all anime lovers and creatives in the Web3 ecosystem. This is going to be a 6,000 supplied collection minting at a 3.2 Solana price, and 10% of their supply will be minted through the Forge token, which is used by Blocksmith Labs NFT, and this is going to be the first ever project minted through Bitfrost. Let me just touch up real quick. I think their website's super fucking clean and super interactive. You guys can go through every single layer of what they have out there. I just love how smooth and easy and simple this is for any user. First things first, you'll be able to send out your outcast on a gamified staking mission. This will allow you to explore and build and create and come on back with rewards. But here's the twist. Throughout their first phase of staking, there will not be a token. The reason they're doing this is they said we don't want to add another Ponzi token to the market. Your NFTs can gain experience and level up through fighting and surviving over on the island they're sent out to through their gamified system. And throughout holding one of these NFTs, you'll be able to help them build and create their mangas, their lo-fi. One of their biggest and boldest claims as well is becoming a full-on Web3 company / brand that's going to allow you, the user, to have full IP rights of what they build and create and have your character displayed throughout a show, throughout a comic book, throughout a manga, throughout a song. They're building this for the community, by the community, to go ahead and just expand into the Web3 anime space. A few more sneak peeks of the artwork and the style that they're going for on their staff members as well. And I love the scenery artwork. I honestly love like the color palette of these. It's a little bit more dark and mysterious rather than like super vibranty. So I think it could definitely make a good PFP. Let me know what you guys think about Shisōka the Outcast down below in the comment section. Rate their artwork as well, and leave your honest feedback. So the next anime styled PFP project I do want to talk about is going to be called Zenin. And you might be wondering, well, dude, they have 123,000 followers and they've built up quite a strong and hype engaging community. Well, a little bit different. Zenin stated that they do not want to use this account anymore because they use a lot of whitelist giveaways, a lot of collaborations, and overall built up that fake engagement hype. So they launched a brand new account that will be doing no whitelist giveaways or engagement farming over on their Twitter, just sneak peeks and overall alpha behind their project. So only 15,000 followers from their 120,000 plus, but I honestly think it was the right direction, as you know, these numbers do not equal floor price or sellout, so they're building something a lot more core and strong. Here's the artwork sneak peeks. Again, a very different style than Shisōka, super vibranty, super colorful, obviously two totally different styles. I think they both look amazing, but let me know your thoughts down below. It's kind of hard to give any information about Zenin as well as we don't have a lot. If we go into their Discord and click on their roadmap, it literally just shows a picture of this, which we don't really know what it fully entails. We can kind of decipher it and think about some sneak peeks or some other, inner lying things, but we don't know. Project is minting at a 1.88 Solana price, which is relatively cheap in this current market, and they will be minting on July 8th. So you've got about 4 days from today, July 4th. Oh yeah, happy July 4th, by the way, guys. Beautiful branding, beautiful PFP. Let me know your thoughts down below. That's all we really have, I'm sorry. All right, so I do want to talk about Shrouded Playground very, very quickly. These guys have been growing for a very long time. We talked about them super early, called them in the Patreon at about 200 followers. and they will be minting on July 7th. Here's a little bit of a sneak peek of their art palette. They're kind of like direction of what they're building here. It's very, very different, to say the least. I honestly love the color palette behind the project. I love the branding. I love how the PFPs actually look. And behind that, they've actually already launched a 777 collection of the Shroud. This is kind of like your guaranteed mint or your guaranteed free mint. If you stake it by July 5th, they're going for about 14 Solana, which is quite hefty of a bag, about 350 bucks, 400 bucks, something like that. And over on their Discord as well, we do have a little bit more information behind the Shroud utility. One free Shrouded Playground NFT airdrop of the main collection, airdrop of the future collections, 20% mint revenue, and 20% of the royalties from the main collection. That's a fat bag. And they're stating here that if you own 5 of their Shrouds, you'll be earning 47.25 Solana from the mint funds if they sell out, plus you'll get 5 mints of your own, plus a whitelist spot. Over on the Discord, we do have a hard written roadmap as well. The first thing we do see is going to be merch and clothing, which if they're going a branding style, I would love to see some sneak peeks, as if we go to their sneak peeks section, we do not have a lot. Some of these are from a very long time ago. Again, this is going to be the PFP. It's a little bit blurry here, not too sure why, but I fuck with it so heavy. Back to the roadmap, we do have ourselves staking as well. Raffles, gift box, one of ones. The website will be done after all this, I guess. And then raids, promotion, and release date. This roadmap was made a little while ago, about a week and a half now. Looking to see some more visuals. I do want to see some more, direction behind it. Over here on their main announcement section, we do see there is a huge gap between these announcements. Almost 14 days between the two right here, but they are putting out minor announcements as well, which I get. But we will see how July 7th goes, 2022. Do I buy a Shroud and stake it and get a free NFT? We'll see. Let's talk about Zoonies, a project that I have not heard about until a little bit recently, as we did do some whitelist spot giveaways in the Patreon down below. But these guys are at just about 100,000 followers over on their Twitter. They're minting on July 20th, and let's talk about the artwork. This is something super simple, super just the thick line, doodles, cool cats, line work. They're going for like these aliens. I'm not 100% sure, right? They have some very cool branding, scenery, artwork, don't get me wrong. And this is going to be the first ever project that is utilizing the OpenSea Launchpad. This is going to be on Solana, yes. This is happening on July 20th at a mint price I'm not 100% sure about, but we even have Alexander42, the Shillin' Villain, poking some fun at these guys. And as for their website, Zoonies XYZ, we do have a roadmap as well with the Planet Zoon ecosystem. So throughout Zoonies, there is going to be a dashboard behind the ecosystem being staking, their Planet Zoon, which is going to be a 2D metaverse with 10,000 apartments, which will be a free collection as well for holders. And they're going to have mutant roulette and slot machines available as soon as this dashboard is launched, and you'll be able to use their potion token to gamble. So they are doing a gambling kind of play here. There's going to be an 88 supply at a 3 Solana mint coming July 20th, and going through the artwork as well. Like I mentioned earlier, these things are nothing super special. They're super simple, but I do think they look, they have that vibe, right? They have that cool cats or doodles vibe, and we have yet to really see that over on Solana. So will these be a blue chip? Will these strike? Will these hit hard enough to be just like that silly, goofy looking NFT to make an impact throughout, the marketplace? That's my main question and, thought. We'll see how it goes. Not too sure. But let me know what you guys think. I just thought I'd throw them in here. They mint in about 2 weeks. So yeah, give your thoughts down below. Zoonies. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that wraps it up for me. We have 4 upcoming projects in today's video. Hope you guys found some, details or some insight here or some information overall. If you guys are interested in joining the Patreon, it's $10 a month. Link will be down below for my alpha calls, my callers alpha calls, my overall deep dives, upcoming mints, and overall giveaways and whitelist spots. Also, I'm working on an NFT tier list. If you're watching this right now, leave some projects down below you think should be in that list and where they should rank as well. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. And I love you guys and peace out. Live stream tomorrow as well on July 5th. Turn on noties and subscribe. I think we're almost at 35K. Anyways, have a good day. Bye. I love you guys.